Alright, YouTube, I gotta go pick up some steel, like 3 pieces of 2x2 tube, 14 gauge for a job, small job. All I have to do is put in 2 short sections of fence with lattice work. And today I'm going to go get the steel, concrete, come back here, dig some holes, put the posts in. That'll be it for the day. So I've got to go on to the next job. But the curious thing, the reason I wanted to film this is I don't have a trailer. My neighbor right here, he's out of town, and I usually borrow his 20-foot trailer, but it's not there. So the place where I'm getting steel, it's only 20 minutes away, but they sell full sticks, 24-foot sticks of steel, and without a trailer, I have no way of transporting it. So it's going to be a little awkward, but I'm going to take my chop saw, and right there in their parking lot, or in the back parking lot, I'm going to cut the 24-foot sticks down to 8-foot sections. I need 8 feet, because these fences are only going to be about 5 feet, so 3 feet in the ground, 5 feet up, roughly. That's all it is. So I'm going to have to cut the steel in the parking lot. It's going to be a little strange. It'd be so much easier to have a trailer and just pick up the steel and cut it on site instead of cutting it there. But that's what I got to do. And I got the machine in the back, so I've got electricity, got a chop saw with me. I cut it there, and then I got to go to Lowe's, pick up some concrete. Just going to get 4 50-pound bags. I've got a handheld auger that I got to pick up. Gonna drill the holes, put the posts in, and I'll move on. So I haven't posted on YouTube. I usually don't post a lot. Mostly because it's kind of difficult to, well, for me, it's difficult to film while I'm working. It takes a whole lot longer, and I'm usually trying to go as fast as I can. So I make more per hour the faster I go, because I bid jobs at a set price. So I don't bill by the hour. I figured my price based on my hourly rate, but if I go too slow, then I make less per hour. If I go faster, I make more per hour. That's the way it works. I usually don't film what I'm doing. I don't even know if this is going to work out because I'm filming on my phone and I have no idea how it's going to sound with a loud truck that I'm in. Alright, got the steel. I got to go out here and cut it up. He's going to get me some power, even though I've got my machine with me. I'm going to go out here, get out of their way, and cut these tubes to 8-foot sections here at the steel yard. It's a little bit weird, a little awkward, but it's what I got to do. So I'm just gonna drive through their building here, get out of here, out of their way. Says he's got power on a pole out here, so I got to find out where I can position myself to get out of their hair. Drive on their yard, I think. It's very strange. Very strange. I think, yeah, I'll just pull over here in their nicely cut yard. He's got power. I see the power. Doesn't really matter. I got 4-wheel drive. So. All right. There we go, YouTube. Cut them up here on site. Now I just gotta ease my way out of this grass and get on my way. Now, off to Lowe's to pick up 4 bags of concrete. It's a small job, but a lot of material to pick up. Got to use my other truck to pick up the lattice work because it's 4x8 sheets, so I've got to use 2 vehicles. Go to 2 different places twice. This is why I don't typically like small jobs like this. It's actually more work for small jobs than it is for the big jobs. You can build an entire building, pick up material once on site, do everything there, get into a batch process, and move along a little bit quicker. Whereas this, every piece is a single step. The only reason I'm doing this particular job is it's a repeat customer. I did some fencing for before. It was still a small job, but it was bigger. It was about a $4,000 job. This is like a $900 job. So it's a whole lot smaller. It takes a whole lot more effort, but it's a job. Squeeze it in. She's only 2 miles from me, from my house, so if she was real far away, I probably wouldn't have agreed to do the job, at least for the price I'm doing it for. But I am $930, including material, so really the profit on it. I mean, I just spent $110 on material, and I don't know how long that took me. Probably took me 30 minutes, and then I gotta go get concrete. So all in all, to pick up all this material, it's gonna take me a couple hours total. And the building will probably take me, might take me 10 hours. I hope it doesn't take me that long, but figure 10 hours plus 2 hours of running around, 12 hours. 12 hours into $900. It's about $80 an hour. It's all right, but you know, I'd rather make more. $80 an hour is okay, as long as I can do it in 10 hours plus 2 hours running around to pick up material. That'll work out okay. All right, off to Lowe's. All right, 4 bags of concrete. I meant to film, you know, me putting it in the truck and all, but not being used to this YouTube thing. forget to film certain steps. Alright, now I go back to the shop, pick up the auger, shovel, post hole digger. Maybe a wheelbarrow, I don't know. Oh no, I think I'm just going to dump it in there. That's what I want to do. Just want to dump the concrete in the hole and spray it with water. Seems like that idea would work just fine. Instead of getting the wheelbarrow, pouring it in there, putting water in there, mixing it up, putting it in a hole. It seems like it'll go a whole lot faster and it'll be just as strong to do it the old farm way. Just pour the dry concrete in the hole and call it good. So, I forgot to look at lattice. Dang it. Guess I'm still here. Guess I can go in and do that just real quick. It won't take me but a minute. Oops. I'm just gonna swing back in real quick. Go look at lattice. Alright, so some quick math. I just looked at the lattice. I was originally thinking about using the $16 lattice and realized it's kind of thin. Not real thin, but thinner than I want to use on a customer project. So I decided I want to get the $25 lattice, which I need 2 pieces. That's $50. Plus 2 pieces of pine deck wood, which is $6 a piece, $5 a piece. So I spent $110 in steel, $10 on concrete. It's $120. I'm gonna spend $50 on the lattice, $170. I'm gonna buy bolts because I'm gonna bolt this thing the way I did the other one. Probably be $30, just round numbers. They say $200 material. I've already got the staying, but still, I'm going to use probably $10 for the staying. So all that together, roughly $200 in material. Basically, I bumped the material up on my own. Should never do that. Whenever you bid the job for the material that you're going to use. Don't at the last minute decide to use something better or worse. Use what you're going to bid. So $200 of material on a $930 job. That's $730. Let's just say $700 for round numbers in labor. If it takes me 10 hours, including picking up material, which is 2, leaving me 8 hours on site, that's $70 an hour, which is under my rate. So in essence, I underbid this job. I'm charging her for 2 small fences. Probably should have gone up $75 to $100 on each piece. But I guess that's how it goes. Still better than making $10 an hour working for somebody else, I guess. But geez, $70 an hour doesn't seem like all that great compared to the big jobs, when I can bid a big job at $150 an hour, and if it happens to take longer than I bid, then I'm still in good shape, making $130 an hour, $100 an hour, if I'm way off. Bidding jobs is not easy. I'm getting better at it as time goes on, but still, little jobs like this, I still make mistakes. But it's a homeowner, not a commercial entity, so you also have to be kind of careful how you bid those jobs too. You don't want to overbid it, because then you won't get the work, and then you make $0 per hour. definitely take the time. You should definitely take the time to find the material that you're going to use for sure. Get the price on that material. Don't assume you know the price, or that you're going to use something you see online. You need to go see it. Make sure you like it, because that $15 lattice is just, it's a quarter inch thick. Won't last, won't stand the test of time, and just, it'll look flimsy compared to the other stuff I built for her, for this customer. So I'm going to go with the thickest possible lattice that they make at Lowe's. $25 a piece. I get a discount, a military discount, you know, so it takes a little bit of money off, but still $200 of material. For some reason in my head I thought it was going to be less. Well, it was going to be less because I was going to use different quality material. As soon as I saw it, I bumped it up on my own. It wasn't her that did it, it was me. So that's how it goes. All right, time to go get the auger. It's 11:30. Hopefully it's only going to take me a couple hours at most to get this done today. It's starting to get hot. It's cloudy, but it's basically summertime, so in 2 hours from now it's going to be pretty hot. So anyway, pick up more material and keep going. Well, that's it for today. 4 posts. 2 of those posts were where a tree used to be. She had a tree cut down and ground up, but it was a big one, and the roots were a bear. I got as deep as I could go, about 18 to 20 inches. It's about 4 inches less than I really like to do, but they're in there. Those roots aren't going to let them move. Plus there's concrete, so they look good. The other ones are a little deeper, but that's just what you run into. I had a feeling I was going to run into roots. Only one hole out of all 4 holes had no roots. Everything else was nothing but root. But got them in, let that concrete set for a couple days because I got some other projects I need to do for the next couple days. But that gives me some time to scab on some more material on those other 8-footers. I need an 8 foot 10 inches, so I need to put another foot onto those 4 pieces that I've got, so I have long enough cross pieces. I've got to weld the angle iron back together so I can drill holes in that. I've got to get 2 pieces of lattice, get it stained, get it fit up so I know where the holes are going to go. Should be pretty straightforward. I can do a lot of the work at the house, in the shop, and then come assembly time should, in theory, go pretty quick on site over here. I say in theory because you never know what you're going to run into. But anyway, that's part 1. I guess I'll stop it here and film the next section. Thanks for watching.